Very important and very relevant data yan pinipresenta mo para ma-aware sila. Please, you cite na lang.
Yes, Mr. Chair. First on the line is Putian National High School. We have also UP Diliman, PUP Manila.
Sandali, saan yung Putian High School?
Yung pinakauna po sa leftmost, Mr. Chair.
Ayan, kaya nga, anong lugar yan? Putian High School. Saan yan?
I don't have the complete address of this national high school, Mr. Chair, but we will provide.
Okay, later. But ang process, sinong taga ang process dito? May alam dyan? Saang eskwelahan yan?
Based on Google Map, it's Cuarteros Capiz, Mr. Chair.
Capiz? Continue.
Second is UP Diliman, Mr. Chair.
Okay.
Then
Next.
PUP Manila. Then UP Manila. UP Tacloban.
Sandali, bakit dalawang UP Manila? Parehong UP Manila.
The other
PUP.
one is PUP Manila,
PUP
Mr.
Manila.
Chair.
Okay.
Then
Next.
UP Tacloban. Then Dr. Luis Ibarracia National High School. Then Hacienda Intal Elementary School. UP Cebu. UP Los Baños. UP Clark. UP Baguio. Bicol University. De La Salle University. Ateneo de Davao. Western Visayas State University, Kalinog Campus.
May number ka? Ilan yung Ateneo de Davao? Number? Wala? Hindi mo
Two.
Ha?
Two, Mr. Chair.
Dalawa
There
lang?
are two.
Ano yan? Patay? Buhay? Nahuli?
One arrested and one surrendered, Mr. Chair.
So you mean to say, itong data na pre-present mo, based lang ito sa napatay sa bundok, nag-surrender at nahuli.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Hindi kasama dito yung nandoon pa ngayon, nag-ooperate sa bundok.
Hindi kasama,
Wala
Mr.
tayong
Chair.
data doon?
We don't have data, Mr. Chair.
Sige,
These are after the
continue.
fact, Mr. Chair. Yung nag-surrender died
Okay.
during police operations or
Please.
military operations.
Please continue.
Then we have MSU General Santos, Isabela State University, St. Andres Campus, CSU Barangay Caritan, Tuguegarao City, Cagayan. We have Rosaliao Eduarte National High School, Palawan State University, Sorsogon National High School, Manipugol Elementary School, Mako, Davao, the Oro. Then University of the Philippines, Mindanao, Mr. Chair. So we have several others. The 79 have one recruitment activity recorded, which include Ateneo de Naga, Ateneo de Cagayan, Ugong Elementary School, Kapsu Dumarao. So we have several others, Mr. Chair. Next slide, please. Shown is the graph of category with militant students recruited. 11 for elementary, 34 for high school, and 123 for college or universities, for a total of 168. Next slide, please. Based on the results of the custodial briefing conducted on the arrested personalities and